Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another video here from Thailand. I'm back in Chiang Mai, back in the street here with Monkey Toe. I'm not in Monkey Toe right now. Monkey Toe is there. I just ordered some food here next door at the restaurant. But these are my friends from Lemonade Hostel. But I was going in to say hello and then I found out they serve a breakfast here. You serve breakfast?
Yes.
Breakfast. Check out this breakfast. Maybe I'm gonna move from Monkey Toe to here. They have pizza as breakfast. Pizza margarita. No?
I don't know. Is that cheese?
Cheese
Yes.
and
Cheese
tomato.
and sauce? Yes.
Yeah, margarita.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
So they serve pizza here with all kinds of nice sauce, chili sauce, ketchup. Amazing. I've never seen this before. But it's a good thing, I guess. Right?
Sorry.
Good thing. Pizza.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, but in this video we're gonna do something else. Where's the back? Oh, here. We're gonna go do some laundry. I'm gonna show you how to do laundry in Thailand. If you have seen my other video from Lampang, you see that I just take the bag to the laundry and just drop it off. But now we're gonna do our laundry ourselves. So we're gonna go this way and there's a laundry bar. So we're gonna go there and do our laundry. See you there. Okay guys, so the laundry is in. Apparently it only takes 25 minutes, so that's pretty quick. But as you can see, it goes like a maniac in there, like crazy. So hopefully it's nice and clean. But I was checking the walls here. Everything is basically on the walls, as you can see how it works. Press start, all these things. Here is like, you know, cold water, warm water, hot water, which one you can use. Then here are the prices and the kilograms. So it's much cheaper than if you go to the laundry service, obviously, especially if you have a lot of kilos. You see 10, 14, even 28 kilos you can do, which if you have 28 kilos times 40, I'll do the math, it's more than 1,000 baht, and here it's like 100 baht, so that's really cheap. You can only pay with the tokens here, so you have to put money in here, tokens come out. Pretty nice. And you have the dryers here, even a 23 kilo dryer here. Whoa. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Really big. Okay. This is 60 baht for drying so much clothes. Now I'm traveling only with a 40-liter backpack, which is about, like, with all my stuff in there, 7 or 8 kilos. So I don't have a lot. I usually have like top 1.5 kilo laundry that I give off, so it's okay. It's not a lot, but if you have a lot, then this is obviously cheap. Okay guys, I left the laundry bar for a bit because I wanted to wait for the laundry. So I went to this place here. I'm now outside. It's a little bit deserted here, but this is like a crazy nice place. It's called Mars NCX, so Mars Chiang Mai. It's like a coffee bar, but they play a lot of music, so I cannot really film inside, but I will show you some clips. This part of the bar looks like it should be Mars, but it looks more like the Antelope Canyon in Arizona. Check this out. Wow. Looks so real. Insane. And then here you can just, you see? Okay guys, that was Space, Mars and CK. Sawadee Krap, hello. Yeah, that was the really nice space to chill out for a little bit. But it's time to get the laundry. And I'm not gonna film that. I'm just gonna go back, get the laundry, hang it on the rooftop at Monkey Toe to dry. And that's basically it. This is also the last video from Chiang Mai for now, because tomorrow I will be leaving. Oh, there's a car coming. I will be leaving to the big city of Bangkok. So because also the visa is coming to an end, so I'm going to Bangkok to make some videos there, hopefully, and enjoy my time there. So I want to thank you for watching the video and see you in Bangkok. Bye bye.